Alright, we're back here. We're down about a point with commissions. We're down 545. We're looking for another EET as we're still avoiding normal system entries. Hopefully we'll get a nice EET. I got it set for 6 and 4. That's my standard entry on the EET. 6 ticks max stop loss, but if I get a good fill, I'm going to try to catch 6 or 7 ticks. But let's just wait, see if we get a signal. I did go ahead and turn the EET signal back on, so at least you'll see it on the chart. So depending on the fill, the profits, I'm going to try to avoid 1065. That's a whole number at a 5 or a 10. You know, 5, 10, 65, 70, 60s, you get a little bit of resistance or support depending on which way you're going. So I'll either go in a tick above or a tick higher to plan my exit. But right now I'm looking right around 1063. So if that were the case, I would have a 64.75 exit. I really want to make about 7 ticks. We're expecting choppy conditions, so an EET would be a nice trade here. Getting ready to get it here. There we go. Let's get long. We're in. Let's move our stop loss here. Now you see the hash mark down there. Let's put this profit up in case it bounces. And let you see the hash mark down there. That's the stop loss, 1062. And I'm actually going to adjust this a little more to 1064.75. Again, we're expecting some choppy conditions. EETs work very well in conditions like this. Plus, I'm recovering, right? We're down 4 ticks. I really want to recover a little more. 1065 is a good exit, but it's, like I said, it's on a 5. So I'm just going to take it to 64.75, see if we can grab 7 ticks. Risk reward on this trade is very good. I'm risking 4 to make 7. A little more of an aggressive trade. 7 ticks, that'll recover me. I guess after commissions about 800 or so. That'll recover the 545 we're down, get us up 2 or 3 ticks. Then we'll need to make another few ticks to make our daily profit. And we're still within the first 20 minutes of the day here. So let's see if we can get a quick bounce. I like to keep these videos short, but you can only do what the market does. Hopefully it'll bounce up here really quick, or get stopped out really quick so we can move on to the next video and keep on rocking and rolling. Now I could just be conservative. You know, we only lost 4 ticks. You know, I could be conservative and just take 4 ticks off this trade, but I really want to take a little bit more off this trade. My long-term chart is close to going long as well, so that really enhances this EET. That's something I teach my students as well. If you catch a good EET and you get a normal system entry on a longer term, or your even longer term chart is getting ready to go long, you can really stay in that trade and ride it out for 8 ticks, 10 ticks. I'm only going for 7 ticks because I don't want to fight that threshold of 1065. You're going to get a lot of resistance up there. It could blow right through it, but 1 tick below, pretty good shot of getting filled. If it hits 1065 and turns right back around, I'll get off with a 7 tick target, full recovery plus. So that's our goal here for this trade. So market's just kind of dragging around, not doing too much. Again, great risk reward on this trade though. Risking 4 to make 7 or 8. It would be 8 if 1065 wasn't 8 ticks right there, so we'll just see what we can get here. Alright, there's 1 point profit. Let me move my stop loss to entry so it turns back around. I should be out even. So I've got a point in the bag. Could have had a point. I'm going to really stretch this out, try to grab the 3 more ticks. We had a normal system entry on the 233 that is valid right here. So this is a high probability trade. We just got into it early. Plus my long term's close, so we're going to go ahead and let this trade cook. Try to grab the full 7 ticks and then move on to the next video and let's make our point profit. Let's see if we can get a bounce up here and jump up. Here we go. Okay, and we're off. Let's go ahead and move on to the next video.